may make that reality hit even harder now for all police. A few years ago, the state passed a law extending the PTSD coverage first responders can receive. News 8's Tina Detel reports on why many say that move was so important.
The long line of police cars escorting the fallen Bristol police officers to the chief medical examiner's office yesterday showed the endless supply of support officers have for each other.
Law enforcement comes together. They truly are a family.
Some officers even answering calls for the Bristol Police Department, which may be even more stressful now that Sergeant Dustin DeMonte and Officer Alex Hamzy were killed doing just that.
When you start hearing a situation that could be, purposeful targeting and ambush, that's a lot different than a domestic violence situation that goes wrong.
East Lyme Police Chief Michael Finkelstein says that rises to a different level and raises even more concern.
Officers are always going to have this in the back of their mind that, well, is this a possibility on every call that I'm going on?
The chief says there are police officers who are trained to offer peer support, and he says that is especially helpful because those officers who need that support know they are talking to someone who knows exactly what they're going through.
We're consistent with this message. They have a very stressful job. They have to talk to someone.
Jim Riscati works with 57 police departments and has developed 48 peer support teams. Police say there is more help out there now than there used to be.
It's a sign of strength when you take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else.
Dr. Craig Allen says there are a number of different psychotherapeutic approaches that can be taken, especially if an officer develops intrusive thoughts.
When they get a call or when they're trying to go to sleep,
which can be symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. He reminds us that tragedies like the one in Bristol can be hard on officers and also on their families, all of whom may be experiencing more stress and sadness. Tina Detel.